the spawner pencilman versus the seagull camerawoman. I was actually the cameraman. Okay, so what the thing is it? I think we should do the mythic. So this guy and then this guy. Okay. Did you actually bug this guy because he looks like the gun pencilman. And of course we don't have times to. Bro, are you serious right now? I need to get times too quick. And that is really good. Or something. Okay, let's do this! Okay. And remember, I didn't borrow this from someone. I actually rolled it yesterday on my second crate. I was just like, okay. Let me do a quest, it's event, and then roll 2 crates. Then, boom. The one crate got the pencilman, then the other crate got the spawner cameraman. Oh, spawner pencilman. I was like, nah, we got the gun cameraman. Yeah, I was tricked into it. It was a gun cameraman. It was actually a mythic. Yeah, it was actually a mythic. That was the gun pencilman. I don't know why the transit designed those two to be the same. For some reason, I don't know why. And why is this phone screen super long? And guys, if you want to help out my dream, just make sure to like and subscribe to the video, and make sure to comment down below your username. But also I'll give away like a free speaker rose farm to one of you guys if you want one. So yeah. Okay, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, imagine if we get the new godly. If you have the pencils. Yeah. Imagine in the first trade we got actually godly. That's going to be super crazy. Yeah, that's going to be super crazy. And when it's going to be super long, I might actually go asleep for it. Oh, looking for accident. It means it's almost ready. Yeah, and I'll count down to 10. 10, 9, 8, 7. Yeah, I was right. I was right. Okay, we're in wave 2. And first, let me do this, and remember, it's auto skip. Okay, then we're gonna place this guy down, and he should carry us. It should carry his team. There. Also, is it in here? So why does he spawn? This is the first time we pencilman. Bro. Okay. Can we upgrade these guys? This. We got inventors to level 2. 2 of them. And slowly. And now what is this? How many exist? 37.6 of you guys got the pencil and the mythic. I'm gonna upgrade you. Because if you didn't like it. Okay, was it my phone charging? Still now? Okay. Maybe there was not an endless mode. Bro, if there was not an endless mode, especially endless, I will literally quit myself in this. Yeah. If higher mode have endless, and if there was like a mode named higher mode but endless, there's a like name like a mode that I've been saying. Like, different, and I will annoy myself because they wouldn't. The not us in endless. Bro, that's crazy. Okay. Yeah, this. Okay. These guys. I just really have sand right now. That would have been super good. But, okay. Do that, guys. To level 3. So all done on level 3. Then we just do this. When is it smack? What's maximum? Well, there's another that's good. Okay. There's 4? 4? Wow. Oh, then there's 4. Okay. Let's upgrade them all. These are huge engine, by the way. Yeah, a really huge engine. About behind. Yeah, upgrade. Bruh. This. And I think it should carry us for like the rest 6 more waves. Okay. Then we need one next speaker wolf farm. Okay. Okay. Why do they shoot like that? Why? Okay. That are bugs. Minigun. Psh, that's super easy. I wonder. Where is the hammer pencilman? Titan hammer pencilman is going to be in like this. Instead of spawning the spawning, but I don't know. I think it's a 1% chance of spawning. Okay, I didn't know. Okay. Just need 700 more, please. Let's go down. Bro. I think the pencilman is taller than the gun pencilman. Bigger means stronger, right? Then why is the gun cameraman small, and then why is the pencilman like taller than the gun pencilman? I think it. Okay. Okay. Max out 1, then 1 more max out. Then we're all good. Okay. This is a huge entry, by the way. Look at this entry. And remember, the cooldown, the max cooldown is 10 seconds. And 1 max. Okay. Okay. Now we have to max all of them. Of course, I know how to do times 2 speed. So, what's the sigma? What the sigma? Okay. Upgrade these two. This. Okay. 1 more life skip, so I need these two. Okay. They have low GFX on. Okay. What is it? Certain details. Okay. Boom boom. Oh. Oh, what? Bro, I'm a pencilman. In the. Is he in. Like, I don't know. Okay. Come on, telling me. Right? Do something. Okay. Done talking. Or pencil. Mech. Okay. Upgrade this. So then Then what are we? Oh, wait, can we upgrade our greater pencilmans? Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Okay. When is the hammer pencilman? Oh, hammer pencilman this one. Okay. Okay. Waiting for. We're always struggling. Danger didn't struggle. I mean, yeah, I've seen like YouTubers didn't even like struggle with using engineer in waiting for. Yeah. Okay. 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 2 max? That's crazy. Two max. Now one more wave skip. What is that? What's that? Sounds. Okay, now this looks good. Not. I hate it. Turn them on. Okay, we can max the third one. Okay, we can max the third. So just think sell one more wave skip, then sell all of them. Think. Okay. Okay, so one. Oh, this guy's not max. Bro, that's crazy. Real quick. Okay, max this guy out, and then. Sorry, guys. Alright, little brother. It's annoying. Because you cannot stop talking. Shh. Guys, about my little brother, he's really like so noisy and. Sige dahil wala ato yung play but ang nakahati sa mga binakot ang gutom-gutom stories. Okay. Okay. Just sing or be quiet. Okay. Now let's do this. Okay. It was just charged. Now what is it? Okay, so, well, Librarian 33, we're not struggling. Yeah, maybe a bit. That's the only phone at 10 seconds. Next is the seagull cameraman, which there was like no limit to placing a seagull cameraman back in the day, but I think there's a limit now. Yeah. But that is not unfair. Okay. I think wave 35. So, let's see this. What wave has been beaten? Probably beat like 33 or something. Probably. What does Remember do? Oh, shoot cannons. Okay. Okay, we're struggling. Let's see how the seagull camerawoman do. Is he actually there? Cameraman. Are your forces actually better? And why is this camera like green? Like this green. When you zoom in first person mode, It's green. And look at that. Gas mask. Okay. Okay. I'm thinking this 35 has been beaten. I mean 34. It has to be 34. It has to be 34 or something. It has to be 34. Oh? Oh yeah. Then we're gonna be safe. Okay. Wave 32 was beaten. So 39. So we're gonna do another one, but with the seagull cameraman. So guys, gonna stop. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna get back into the lobby and make sure. Okay. Come on, hurry up. And actually, and if we hit 30 subscribers, I will actually face you. I know all of you guys were saying, God, why 30? Because like when you're on the shirt, you just say 100,000 subscribers, you will face you at 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, but I decided to get into like a bit lower because like I changed it to 30 instead. Because I was feeling like us getting lowered, like only like 30. So yeah. Oh, the 5. Okay. Let's equip the critter and equip the seagull. Okay. Okay. Now let's go into endless mode. And there are a lot of people. Wait. What am I? The summer band is still here. Still no 50 gems, bro. But what is... Okay. Pencil event. I'm only level 2. Pencil level. I 10 minutes. When pencil mode. With only 1 unit. Okay, that's good. But I think you can win pencil mode with... I think... God. Only 1 unit. I think guys. Think when the last waves. Can solve you send us with... Then only place 1 pencilman. Okay. Let's do this. And... I have a good run for seagull. Okay, let's do this. 3, 2, 1. And yeah, I really need 2 times X speed boost. I mean 2 times X speed. Cause you know, I just really want it. Very. Okay. Can you please wrap? I'm gonna do like a quick match. If you like and subscribe the video, we're actually going to spawn in endless mode under 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we are spawning. But actually, we aren't spawning. Sorry. What? Why is it taking so long? What is it even now? It's been 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. And it's been 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. I was right. Okay. Auto skip. Of course. We're gonna hit a bit of damage. It's the wave 4. That's why the run gets super good. Just okay. Can I just charge my phone properly? Okay. Okay, let's do this. One more wave skip, please. Not this way. Upgrade them. Okay, please skip. 3, 2, 1 wave skip. I was right. I was right. So this guy just gonna carry us because we're wave 16. I don't know. Yes. Guys, look at the seagull. Okay. Upgrade 1, upgrade 2, upgrade 3. Okay. Yo, that's so sad. I mean, only a little bit because, yeah. Okay, upgrade this. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And he he didn't actually spawn. No, he despawn. No, he didn't. That's great. Okay. 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 Slowly we're not struggling. That's way better than the greater pencilman because we were struggling. Okay. Let's see. When it's started to wave 33, that's where we struggle. Let's do this. Okay. Bro. Oh, wait, 9? That's crazy. Only with 1. So one more wave skip, please. So 1 max, please. And also, I have Sonic in my t-shirt. Look. I saw Pringle on my back, so you know. Okay, 1 more wave skip. And why are the toilets frozen? Why are they frozen? Okay, I thought it was because they were so good it lagged. Okay. Yep. 1 shot. 1 shot. What was it? It's probably gonna 1 shot and he 1 shot him. Only level 1. But it's only level 1. I haven't upgraded him even a single time. That was just crazy. Okay. Boom, dead. Okay. 2 max. 2 max. I think Santa and the influencer. Look at him. Bro. Let's go. Oh. Okay. We're gonna let you do this. Look, 1 more. Then we'll kill it. I was right. Okay, and then 2 max. Okay. Then we need this one, and then we only have 2 more left. 3 max. Okay. Okay. That's crazy. Super crazy. Okay. Okay, what? Max 1 net. Now I start placing all of them. Because I'm feeling like a bit too scared. Okay. One more wave skip, please. Thank you. Alright. Okay. We just need like, I think, like one more wave skip. Okay. The assassin. The assassin toilet. Okay. We can upgrade this one. Please can I upgrade just this one? Even just spam click it. Okay, fine. Max one, yeah. Okay, upgrade this. And remember that he's max. The 3. See? It was so cheap. It was like 8,500. Yeah, it was super cheap. Yeah. There's a seagull. Where? Okay. This. Okay. It should. Okay, this guy. Respawning. Okay, this one. This is also max. Okay, we need one more. Oh, wait, Danny. One more wave skip, please. Not upgrade these two. Yeah. Ooh. 98%. That. Oh. Where? Don't give me a big moment. Okay. Yep. And we're just gonna sell our 4 minutes. Bada bing, bada bum, bada bing, bang. And bro, why? Does my phone always not charge, bro? Why? So this guy. Now, max. Now what I have to do is wait. It was weight 32 beaten and it was in weight 39. In Alaska, of course. Weight 39 Alaska. This is seagull cameraman actually better than the creator pencilman? Probably yes. Yeah. Probably. Do you think legendary is better than a mythic? Like, was supposed to be infinite, but it actually isn't. Yeah, we're not struggling. Okay, let's do this. Wait, look. Okay, do this. Okay, do this. Okay, do this. Okay, okay. Sell this. Yeah, like infinite. I don't know. Okay. What is infinite? Well, this is bad. And max it out. Okay. Weight 27 and we're slowly not struggling. Yeah. Even a bit. None of us haven't even come here. Yeah. Say we go cameraman. Probably stronger than creator pencilman. Confirmed. Oh, why there's 5? Yeah. I know why like the mythic is worth it than the. I know mythic or legendary. I mean like there are some legendary units that might actually be mythics. I mean yeah. I mean like the leper and cameraman. It's a legendary. It should be a mythic still. Okay, wave 30. So we got on wave 39. We only have 40 more waves left. I know. Okay, we read 30. If it says 33 on it, I thought it goes 200. I remember there was like a glitch where seagulls go through the flying rocket. I don't know what's name. But still we're killing it. Wave 32. Okay, why am I not charging? Was this should be 9% for years? Bro. Bro. Is charged correctly? Okay. And real quick. It's 8:47 a.m. And slowly, we're not so. Oh, yeah. We're definitely struggling. Okay, yeah, we're definitely struggling. Yeah, was killed. I know was got killed, but was like, I don't know. Like the lazy scientist toilet? I don't know. Alright, I forgot. Okay, yeah. Wait, 30. Come on. 4 more wave skips. 4 more. 4 more wave skips. 4 more wave skips, please. Okay. Confirmed. This is wave 33 people. The player pencilman and his name still wins. Yeah, it was those guys. Yeah. And if killer is gonna kill us. Yep. Oh, what? Oh. That's crazy. Oh. Spawn kill? Oh. Okay. Wave 32. So I think it's technically a draw. But what's 32 beaten? And also, the creative pencilman got 32 beaten. Technically, like, both of them got tie. So, it was a tie. And thank you guys for watching. And make sure to hit the subscribe button. And bye and peace.